Happy homemakers, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a fall home tour. I have all of my house decorated. However, I wanted it to be clean for this video, but it is not. There's still clutter and items laying around everywhere, and it got to a point where I just had to stop trying to clean and making my home perfect, but that's okay because that's not what this channel is about anyways. You guys know I have 2 kids, and my house, I don't think my house has ever been perfectly clean for the last 4 years. As I take you along into this home tour, I am going to be showing you the fall decor I got, but if you want to know where specific things are from, I will link down the fall clean and decorate with me video and my 2 fall haul videos. Everything should be covered in those. We now have a spare room that I'm going to be giving a makeover to in the future, and I will for the first time be giving you a tour of that room. Over the next month, I'm planning to update several areas of the house, which I'm really excited about. So I will be telling you what my plans are in this video as well. Before we get into the house tour, I would love to take a moment to thank my sponsor of this video, Artifact Uprising. They are a company that makes really beautiful holiday greeting cards. They are really beautiful premium quality prints on 100% recycled paper. I got mine printed out by them in the mail just a few days ago, and I love it. All of their designs are beautiful, but I love that a lot of them have a very minimalistic, very modern design, and I love the gold foiling. You can customize your cards to be exactly how you like it. I could have chosen from 5 different color foil options. There's like burgundy and silver and rose gold, and it's just beautiful. But I really loved the gold and how delicate and simple this looked. I also made sure to go and do a photo shoot with my family in a beautiful location taken by my friend Hannah. She took a lot of different pictures for us over in a lavender field, and I loved being able to pick a few different types of photos and group them together. So getting a photo shoot is something I definitely recommend. But I really love the paper it's printed on because the back is blank and it's great to write a note on. And since we have loved ones so far away and we may not be able to see them the holiday season, I would like to send them more than just a custom little greeting, but you actually have a lot of space back here to write a personal note. Anyway, so I really love how our photos and this card layout turned out. They have a lot of different designs. You can do 1 picture or you can do multiple. The options are endless. So I will have a link to Artifact Uprising down below, and also a 15% off coupon code for anything on their website. It was really easy, really simple, and they sent them to me so quickly. It was just a really great experience to order them online. And now let's get into the home tour. So first of all, I'm gonna start with our front porch because I just decorated it. I didn't show it in a video. I just kind of threw it together and it looked good. These 2 lanterns I got at IKEA 2 years ago. They're the best price around, and I think they're so beautiful. Everything else is from Trader Joe's. The pumpkins there are such a good price, so I really recommend them. I usually get the kids' pumpkins to carve from Trader Joe's because the big ones are $2.99 a piece and the little ones are like 99 cents and 69 cents. So just cannot go wrong there. And then I got these beautiful red mums from Trader Joe's as well. I think they were about $9.99. And then I've had this really cute bucket for the past couple years. I got that from Michael's. So when you enter the house, the first thing you see is the console table. This console table I've had for years and years and years. I got it at Pier 1 like 12 years ago probably, and I really want something lighter there. With a lot more storage. So hopefully sometime we'll be able to do that. I do have this fall candle lit that I absolutely love. It's white pumpkin from Sand and Fog. And then I have these thrifted candle holders and a couple pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. And then up top I have this yellow garland also from the Dollar Tree, and a couple down below. Once you get in, you see the dining room over there and the kitchen, and then it opens up into the living room. The kids were playing over there. It's kind of a mess. Like I said, this is not a perfectly clean home. This is something that is going to be changed out. This is going to go into the spare room for books and toys, and then I want to get something less cluttered because as you can see, this always gets so messy. The kids play, They don't just pull out one book, they pull out like 50 at a time, and then they just don't want to put them back when they're done. So this always looks like this. We'll just have something probably with closed doors. And then I have some artwork up here as well. And then on this side of the room, as you can see, my desk is now gone. I have to figure out something to do with the cords back there so that you can't see them, because I think it looks kind of messy. And then I am going to get a new lamp, because as you can see, that one has been broken, and it's been broken for about 3 years. So I think it's about time to update that. And then I have this little fall throw. I love the yellow color. I've kind of tried to tie it into all of the rooms. And then over here I have another pillow. This one says grateful, and then I've decorated the little coffee table with some leaves and a little pumpkin as well. Before I move on to that side of the house, I'm just gonna go over here to my bedroom. This is a new washer and dryer. We just got it in this morning because the last one just died on us. But unfortunately, this washer is defective, and they asked if they could just leave it here until they put in the new one and take it away, because it would just save them time. We've been without a washer or without a dryer for a week, and now we're gonna be without a washer for a few days longer, who knows. Anyways, I've been lucky enough to be able to get all my laundry done, so it's okay. Back here, this is another thing that's gonna be changing. I'm gonna be moving around. Right now we have just a random collection of cleaning products and DVDs, and that's going to change. Everything inside that cupboard will go to where the linens are right now, which is a tinier cupboard, so I think it's gonna turn out a little bit better. Here is my laundry nook. I have my ironing in those 2 baskets, and then some items I use, and then my laundry basket. And then over here is my bathroom. We have a half shower in this bathroom. This is the master bath, and then a vanity, and I did just update these towels. I think they look really cute in the room. Even though it's a small bathroom, I do like how it is decorated. I think it is really pretty. Since having the spare room, my room pretty much stays this clean, because all my filming equipment, all my office work is in that room now. It's become my office, and I'm really excited to show you. There was a very messy bookcase right here that is gone, and I'm so happy because it looks so much nicer and more peaceful and relaxing. This is exactly the type of place that I just want to come in and relax and wind down in the evening with some tea. It's just so wonderful to have it so free of clutter. This is my little corner. I really love how it looks. I got this rubber plant from Trader Joe's for $12.99, and I'm gonna really try hard to keep it alive. My last one died, which I should probably move it into the light right now, because apparently they like diffused light, so I'm just gonna do that and let it soak up some sun. And then over here I have my basket with my weights, and then all my like Bible studies and stuff. And then behind here I do have a yoga mat, because I do a workout in the mornings in this space right here. I haven't done it lately, but I need to get back into it. And I just find having things be minimalistic makes it a lot easier to keep it clean. So on my nightstand I just have my lamp, my water, and then a picture to decorate with. That's all. I get questions on where my nightstands are from, and they are both from World Market. They're very expensive, but I got them on a huge sale at the time. But they were exactly what I saw them and I knew I want that. I think they're one of those things that's more timeless. So I'm hoping that they make me happy for many, many years to come. Really quick, before we move on to the rest of the house, I just want to say hello and welcome to anyone new here. My name is Justine, and on my channel I'm all about joyful motherhood and natural living and an orderly and peaceful home. And I would love to have you as a subscriber, so make sure you hit that red button down below and join my YouTube family. And for everyone else, welcome back. I really appreciate it knowing that you guys enjoy my content enough to come back, and I want to make content that you are interested in, obviously. So please let me know what kind of fall content you want to see on my channel, what you're waiting for from me. I would love to hear from you guys. Also, if you like this video and you want to see more home decor type things, make sure you give this video a like. Those likes also help out my channel so much more than you know, so I really appreciate when you guys do that. So now let's move on to the rest of the house. This is my dining table, and it is a 1963 vintage French Provençal provincial dining table that my friend Tabitha refinished for me. And I love it. It really is just so pretty. I think it really goes along with the gold delicate picture frames, and then also the arches. This mirror is also very French. Anyways, so I just like it with this tablecloth I got at Target. I think it looks beautiful. And then I just have some simple fall decor, which I talked about in my fall clean and decorate with me video, which I'll have linked down below. And then here is my tea. So here is the kitchen, and what I have for fall decor is this little pumpkin here, and then this little hand towel, which I really love. These hand towels I got at Home Goods a couple years ago. And then over here is probably my most favorite area for fall in the house, because I love my coffee and tea, especially in the fall and winter months, but I do drink it year around. And I just love decorating this little tray. So we have our Nespresso pods here, some tea back there, fall sprinkles, pumpkin spice syrup, and my French press. But the drink that I'm loving right now, and I've actually made it right here, is the combination of my favorite vanilla tea is from Harney & Sons. I think this might be my most favorite tea ever. This is just a plain vanilla black tea, and it is so good. But what I really love doing with it is I'll brew this for 5 minutes and then add about a tablespoon of this pumpkin spice syrup, and the combo of pumpkin spice and vanilla with a splash of milk is so good. I love it. Anyways, so I really want to do some updates in this kitchen. Daniel painted it for me for Christmas 2 years ago, but now I just really think that a tiled floor like this would look so pretty over the whole floor, and it's very inexpensive to do peel and stick tiles, and because we're renting, we don't want to put a lot of money in it, and also it needs to be something that the landlord could take down. So we're going to be doing that, and then I want to do like a marble contact paper over this and a peel and stick backsplash, which I think will look so good and just take this whole kitchen up a notch. And then the last thing I'm gonna do is change out these picture frames to a black frame, and I think it's just gonna really pop. By the way, these watercolors were painted for me. I told my sister exactly what I wanted. Just some beautiful rosemary, basil, and thyme with the green that I wanted, and I think they look so good. These are the originals, but she does have prints of these on her shop if anyone else wants them in their kitchen, because I love the look of them. I think it just looks so beautiful and just so natural and organic, and that's the kind of idea of how I like to live, how I like to cook, and I just think they look beautiful in my kitchen. Okay, so this side of the house is one that you guys don't usually see, and the reason I try to kind of hide it is because it's not updated like the rest of the house. Like I said, we are renting, but because I do YouTube, it's really hard that it doesn't look that nice, because like my whole house is backdrop for my videos basically. So I might be updating these doors. They're like $36 each at Home Depot, so it's really not that expensive. And then I'm going to have Daniel paint the trim, and I think it's gonna make a world of difference to all the rooms on this side of the house. Anyway, so we'll start in here, the room that you guys have never seen. Right now, it is my office. It still has a lot of the furniture that my mom had used. She ended up giving this bed to Chloe, which it's perfect. I think that Chloe will love it. And it has a trundle bed underneath, which is great because we do have guests going into town. I'm going to be doing videos on how I prepare for those guests. I'm very excited about that, so stay tuned for that. So for now, the bed is going to stay in here, but that dresser is going to go, that desk is going to, or that table is going to go. This is my brother's, and then this my mom left me. This was always in my grandma's house, and I love it. It's so beautiful. And then there's also a closet full of stuff. Some is still hers. She's gonna take it. But this has just turned into the best office space that I could have. We have our printer in here now, all our homeschool stuff. So my desk is now in here, and it's just great to have this workspace while the kids are napping. or at night when Daniel's home, to be able to be kind of away from everybody and just have time to edit. On this half of the room, my plan is to change it into our homeschool room. That's why the little table's here. And then also the chalkboard is over there. So this is going to be all our homeschooling area. This is where the console table for the TV is going to move into. It will probably go along that wall. I do like the gray that is painted in this room. That's going to stay, but I do want to paint all the trim. We have permission from our landlord to do that. I am also going to be getting a really beautiful probably like a Moroccan rug. I think that's what it's called, but it's going to be like a blue and gray and white print. I think it's gonna be so pretty in here. Anyways, over here is the bedroom. The kids are napping now, but I did pre-film it before they went down, so I'm gonna play that now. Marcus and Chloe's bedroom is something that is still a work in progress. A lot of people ask me why they don't have beds, and that's just because Marcus had one, Chloe doesn't yet, and Marcus wanted to be the same as her, and it's just taking a long time for me to decide what I want to go with. And also if I just want to go straight to twin beds, I'm just not sure yet. But I do plan to do a makeover to this room soon. I have a few decor items in here, just some pumpkins, leaves, and a little garland that we made a couple years ago together, which is really fun. I just love seeing how happy they are when I decorate their room for the holidays too. Okay, so over here we have the guest bathroom. It's a really nice sized bathroom, but again, I don't usually film in here because it's not updated, and the lighting in here is really yellow, and it has tons of bulbs, so I don't really want to switch out that many. But I do like how it's decorated. Maybe if I can get Daniel to help, I would love to paint this white and then put some silver or brushed nickel handles to match these faucets on it, but for now it'll just have to stay like this. So for the decor in here, I just have this bath towel, really cute. I love the pattern. And then I have another watercolor. This one is done by a friend, Katie, and I love this one as well. So I have it framed here in my bathroom. It just has a Bible verse on it. I think it's so beautiful and just goes along with the little succulent and then the rest of the gold stuff in here. I've been getting the Trader Joe's hand soap and dish soap and loving it. It's like $3.99, but this bottle is huge. It lasts a really long time. And then I just have a little orange candle that goes in here. And then over here I have the matching hand towel and a couple trinkets that I just added that I really love. This is just a little leaf, or it could be a feather, I don't know which one, but it's just a little trinket dish, which I think will be great for guests. And then I have some Q-tips in here, and believe it or not, both of those things are from the Dollar Tree. Anyways, so that's the end of this video. I hope that watching it made you so excited for fall and gave you a few home decor ideas and some inspiration. Let me know in the comments down below what inspired you and what kind of fall decor theme that you have going on. I would love to hear from you. Thank you again to Artifact Uprising for partnering with me on this video. Again, I will have their link in the description box down below. I wouldn't waste any more time before putting your holiday greetings together. I know years past I've always procrastinated a little bit, so I would recommend getting a photo session booked now, and then as soon as your pictures come back and get in the process of making one of these greetings. I think you guys will love the quality and the design options that they have. They are so beautiful.